I, Rinku Mehra, my I, Rinku Mehra, my roll number is 27. My topic is Vishaka and others versus state of Rajasthan. Since ages, women are being means depressed. कुछ मत करो, बस घर बैठो, काम करो और डर के रहो. और कोई लड़कियां अगर घर से बाहर जाती हैं तो मैन की ईगो हर्ट हो जाती है. अरे she should be put in her place. You cannot go out. You are like a doormat. You come, you do what the men say. तो इस पे एक केस है विशाखा एंड अदर वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ राजस्थान. इन अर्लियर टाइम्स गर्ल्स की चाइल्ड मैरिज हो जाती है. बस पैदा हुई, शादी कर दो, जिम्मेवारी खत्म, फिनिश, एंड ऑफ टॉपिक. बट व्हाट हैपेंड, वन लेडी कॉल्ड भवरी देवी, शी वाज अगेंस्ट दिस चाइल्ड मैरिज. she used to think, what is this nonsense? Okay, you are just born, you don't know the person, and you get married to a person. How she will live whole life? A person can be tall, short, or not compatible. She likes him or not. How can you force a child when she is not aware? She has to live with him whole life. So in this Rajasthan, there was a case where Bhavri Devi was gang raped by Gujjar family. This Gujjar family, male ego people, you know what they think? कि घर की औरत है, पैदा हुई बेटी, शादी करके जिम्मेवारी खत्म, go to hell. तो पर क्या हुआ? This lady Bhavri Devi.
Write down answer in Hega, please.
Okay. हाँ, Bhavri Devi. She joined one. She was employed in Sajini in 1985. She took an action against. There was a gang rape in nearby village in 1987. In 1992 also, government launched the campaign against child marriage, but this campaign was ignored by the village. They used to think, what nonsense she is doing it, but she is doing it. This is totally wrong. Girl is married, we are safe now, we are no responsibility for us. Then on 5th May 1992, one Gujjar family arranged a marriage of their daughter, infant daughter. Then she took the police superintendent. Despite this, Ram Karan Gujjar उसकी शादी करवा दी अपनी डॉटर की. बट दे फेल्ट, पुलिस लेके आई, इसने हमारी बेइज्जती की, अब हम तो बदला लेंगे, और औरत है और औरत को दबाओ. तो है ना, दीज ऑल गुज्जर फैमिली 5 people दे गैंग रेप्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर हस्बैंड. कितना बुरा. एक औरत को सबक सिखाने के लिए आप ऐसी बदतमीज़ी वाली हरकत आप कर सकते हो. Then she filed a case. Police also didn't bother. And doctor also in Jaipur, उसने क्या किया? Delay किया उसका examination. For 52 hours, ma'am. For 52 hours they delayed. Then even lady constable was taunting her. This remarks, you are only not good. When a girl or a woman is gagged, what in her state of mind, what she goes through. A lady constable, she herself was taunting her whole night, and the accused were acquitted. They were acquitted. वो भवरी देवी ही wrong है, ऐसे करके they were acquitted. But one Vishaka, she filed a petition under the Article 14, 15, 19, 1G and 21 of Indian Constitution. This sexual harassment at workplace should be stopped. A woman should have right to live with equality, with respect and dignity. What is this? A man thinks if a woman doesn't do what a man says, then she should be gang raped? Doesn't she have the liberty to live her life as she likes? Then the petition was filed, and for that, then even some third party, friend of the court, he supported her. His name is Fali S. Nariman. He supported her like amicus curiae, as you were saying. That means friend of the court. He wanted protection of women in society, in at workplace. Now also, ma'am, you don't know. At workplace, you know what employees do. They think if a girl is not from a reputed family, then if she want high salary or any bonus or whatever, they want sexual favors. So good family girls say no, not interested. But who are poor, जिसका घर उस पैसे से चल रहा है, वो क्या गो थ्रू करती है, then thinking about it, government or Supreme Court came up with Vishaka guidelines. Like, what does sexual harassment mean? Sexual harassment means unwelcome sexually determined behavior, whether directly or implication, physical contacts and advances, a demand or request for sexual favors, like boss है, पैसा चाहिए, ज़्यादा चाहिए, आपको थोड़ा आपको तरक्की चाहिए, तो आपको दे डिमांड सेक्शुअल फेवर्स. Then sexually colored remarks. Then they are showing pornography and other unwelcome physical contact. Then it's the duty of the employer. If you are keeping any employee woman, you don't have any right to misbehave with her. Work related you ask her. कुछ भी काम है वो काम के रिलेटेड करो. But sexual harassment should not be allowed. काम है तो काम है. अभी हम जैसे हम लोग हैं, अच्छी फैमिली तो बिलोंग करते हैं, हम लोगों के लिए पैसा इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, तो वी कैन लीव द जॉब इन 1 minute. We come to know, because girls are very smart, they come to know what man is thinking. But जो लोग का घर पैसे से चल रहा है, उनके लिए कितनी मुश्किल है. और आज ज़माना तो ऐसा है, अगर लड़की कुछ बोलेगी ना, ये आदमी ने मेरे साथ गलत किया है, तो लड़की को ही गलत सोचेंगे. वो जो कर रहा है उसको नहीं सोचेंगे, किसी की मारा मारी हुई या कुछ, शी इज़ रॉन्ग, he is not wrong. So this mentality of our society should be stopped. And what else?
What are the other guidelines given by the Supreme Court?
Then guidelines by the then sexual harassment, duty of the employment protection, prohibition of sexual harassment, rules and regulation, and public sector body concerned with the conduct and business should include rules and regulations prohibiting molestation and supply for appropriate penalties in such rules against the offender. Private employers should take steps to include the aforesaid prohibitions in Employment Standing Order Act. Work conditions should be provided in respect of work, leisure, health and hygiene to further ensure that there is no hostile environment towards women at workplace. And there were committees also formed, like they should report to the government what complaints were filed, what
How to file everything. What are the rules for that to file the complaint and everything? And what are the facilities for that?
Facilities like their complaint should involve third party also. Like the use of complaint is supposed to make an annual report to the government department concerned by the complaint and action taken. अभी जो कंप्लेंट किया वो गवर्नमेंट ने क्या किया, कंप्लेंट क्या किया, उसको कैसे सॉल्व किया, हाउ रिस्पेक्टफुली दे ट्रीटेड द विक्टिम, दैट शुड बी देन. एंड एम्प्लॉयज शुड रेज इशू. कोई भी लड़की को आवाज़ उठाने के बाद सोचना नहीं चाहिए कि तुझे गलत सोचा जाएगा. She should raise a voice. Half the time the people don't raise voice only, कि खुद को ही गलत समझेंगे. And this mentality is very wrong. Then disciplinary action should be taken against the employer. How can he demand such dirty things from a girl? And man, like I would like to conclude, like Vishaka, a bold lady or a woman, I don't have any idea. So she took a step and filed a petition to stop sexual harassment at workplace. Not only at workplace, anywhere, women are treated very badly. And it is woman herself is responsible for it, because she allows like everyone to treat her like doormat. So I would like to conclude, not only government, a society should take a step against it and stop this sexual harassment at workplace, at public place. अब देखो जब बस में जा रहे हो, इतने धक्का मार के चले जाते हैं, तो you should say stop it, stay away. अरे बोलेगा तो बाजू वाला क्या सोचेगा, सोचेगा तो सोचे, आप क्यों डर रहे हो? ओके, थैंक यू।